The Dana Pro architecture is a cutting-edge amplification platform from Mag Audio, designed to simplify and streamline the configuration of the installed audio system. The intelligent Dana Pro amplifiers combine the functions of a system processor, speaker processor, and power amplifier into a single, unified device. Within the Dana Pro amplifier rack, one amplifier functions as the master unit, controlling the other slave amplifiers. Each amplifier receives signals directly from the source and processes them independently. However, control and automation signals are managed by the master amplifier, which acts as the central hub for the entire system. The signal flow within the Dana Pro amplifiers is engineered to provide efficient control over every system function. Digital and analog inputs are routed through a flexible matrix, allowing inputs to be assigned to individual DSP processing channels. DSP channels can be grouped together or processed independently. Once the user has applied equalization, delay, and volume adjustments, these DSP channels and groups are assigned specific speaker presets. Finally, the processed signals are sent to the amplifier output channels. In the upcoming tutorials, we'll dive deeper into each stage of this process.